In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bend an object in Canva. While Canva doesn't offer a direct feature for bending an image, there's a creative workaround using Canva's built-in tools. Let's dive into each step and transform your design with ease. To start, open your Canva project where you want to manipulate the image. If you haven't selected an image yet, choose one and place it onto your canvas to get started. Once your image is ready, the next step is to select it. Simply click on the image that you wish to bend. Clicking on it allows you to access a range of editing options available in Canva. Look to the top of the screen for the Edit button. This step is crucial as it will lead you to the additional options that you'll need for modifying the image. Clicking Edit opens up the Adjustment suite where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the editing suite, direct your attention to the Apps section. The Apps feature in Canva is where special effects can be found, offering advanced editing possibilities beyond the standard options. From there, navigate to the Liquify option. This tool is designed to subtly distort portions of an image, making it perfect for bending visual elements without compromising the overall clarity. Within the Liquify section, you'll spot an option called Wobble. This setting is essential for achieving the bend effect. Go ahead and click on Wobble to bring up its adjustment settings. In the Wobble settings, there are two key adjustments you'll need to make. First, adjust the wobble amount to its maximum setting. This increases the intensity of the bend effect, making the distortion more pronounced and visible. Next, focus on the wobble scale. Slide this to its lowest setting to ensure the bending is as smooth as possible, avoiding any unnecessary glitches that could appear in your image. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button and click it. This will apply the changes to your image and embed the updated visual into your Canva project. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a unique bending effect within Canva, enhancing your project with a touch of creativity that stands out. This method is a testament to the flexibility and potential within Canva's tools, allowing you to push the boundaries of what you can create. Keep experimenting with different settings to see what unique designs you can come up with. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next video.